How to activate EastWest credit card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to activate the EastWest credit card online. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can follow up this process. For that, you can head over to the browser of the space by typing in eastwestbank.com and you will be led to the space. So when you go over here, you can find different options. So what you can do is head over and tap on this menu bar at the top left corner and you can select up your account, like if it is a personal account or a business account. For example, personal account, and when you tap on it, you'll be led to the space from where you can log in. Go ahead and tap on this login tab at the top right corner and you will be finding this section where you need to enter up your username and password. So if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and tap on username and enter up username. After that, your password. And if you don't have one yet, you can go ahead and select this enroll section. So under this page, you need to provide an email address enrolled in your online banking. You can just go ahead and tap on click and continue. After that, you will be led to the space. So just go ahead and scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions and then click on continue and you will be getting a confirmation message. Click on OK and you will be finding this section. So here you can just go ahead and enter up your debit or prepaid card details and go ahead and click your PIN and confirm it, and that's how you activate your EastWest credit card online. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.